Hi everybody, welcome to our PlanningPME web access scheduling solution. I will take some time today in order to show you how to filter the schedule. So we're now basically on a resource view. We will now switch to an index view. We will now go directly on the client view, and then we will finally go back on the resource view. I will now decide to filter a department. Here I will choose the North Agency department. I will choose to add another one as well, here the West Agency department. I will now remove the filter. I will now decide to filter directly a resource. Here we will choose Megan Cox. We will decide to add another one. We will start typing intuitively Pitt, so the resource Daniel Pitt appears as well. We will now remove the filter, and we will decide we will now filter the client. We will start here typing intuitively TAR, so all the events linked to the target skills client will here appear. We will now remove the filter. We will now click on the event status. We will choose the not started status, and now all the events that have the non-started status will appear. I will now remove the filter. I have also the possibility to type here intuitively the name of a resource. Here I will type Ben Craig and the resource will now appear. Thank you a lot for your attention today and see you soon for new videos.